Hey everyone, Jen Jones here from Hello Literacy. This is a really quick tutorial on how to put the decodable books together. This is a book already printed and copied and ready to be assembled. Notice that they're printed single-sided and there's no cutting required at all, only folding. They're printed single-sided for extra long durability. So here's what we're going to do. You see there's a score line right here in the center. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the whole book and I just took it right off the printer and I folded them all and scored them all. But the first page, which is the front cover and the back cover, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that sheet away from the rest and set it aside. And then you'll notice that all the rest of the pages, like this is 1 and 2, are just ready to be pulled away from the batch. So watch as I do this part. I'm going to take it off and set it down. 3 and 4, pull it off, set it down. 5 and 6, pull it off and set it down. 7 and 8, pull it off and set it down. And then 9 and 10. So now I have a stack in order. The fold is on the outside, and I'm just going to kind of rescore it there. And then I'm going to take all of my sheets with the fold on this side and my cover, and I'm going to insert the pages into the front and back cover. So now the only page that's really truly single-sided is the front and the back, because everything else has the fold on the outside and ready to be stapled on this side. So I'm going to take my stapler, which I love my one-touch stapler from Staples, and I'm going to give it three staples. So now this book is ready to go. When students read from it, you can see there's still lots of a good amount of space for the words that are not cut off. So you might want to do a little bit of rescoring for kids before they read it, so once they open it, they can see it there. And then the last thing that I like to do, just because I feel like I don't love all the staples exposed, is that I've got some pink, orange, and yellow masking tape that I picked up from Staples and this little dispenser from Amazon. And then what I do is put half of the tape on the front covering the staples, and then when I flip it over onto the back, I cover the staples on the front. So this way it's just a nice way to denote like like pink decodables from orange decodables. The other thing that you could do too is you could just print the front cover page on pink copy paper or salmon copy paper if you want to. These decodables are in my TPT shop and on my website, helloliteracy.com, or Hello Literacy on TPT. If you're interested I'll drop the links for the tape and the dispenser and the decodables in the comments below. Thanks everyone.